What is up, everybody? It is time for an adventure. Steeevo from Rugged Rocks has invited a bunch of people out to the desert to go hang out, drink some beer, sit on the campfire. So I'm headed out to go to the desert. Just a little overnight trip. I don't have much time, but gotta crack away sometimes and get some adventure in. So I have loaded up the truck with just enough food, beer, and energy drinks to have a good time. And the action suit, of course. So, about to hit the road, and we'll see you there. Here we are, Johnson Valley, just pulling in. It's a big dry lake bed and some rocky mountains and trails going everywhere. So, yeah. Gotta find some people. I think I might be the first one here, though. I know there's like a bunch of people on the road right now. There was some traffic on the 15. That's how we say it here in California. We don't actually say the highway or freeway or whatever you say. You just say the number. You don't say highway. You just say, yeah, there's a lot of shoot down the 210 and a lot of traffic on the 15, so I'll shot down to 1. You don't want to say it with an accent, but if you were to say it out of state, that's how you say it. Anyhow, running around, dry lake bed. I don't know if you can, it's probably too shiny. Maybe see it behind me. But yeah, we'll find some people, circle up all the trailers. There's supposed to be a lot of people coming in tonight, so they're going to circle up the trailers. And I'm just going to try and get a couple of these guys that are just rolling in and have a chat with them and see where we're going to circle up. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. What's up, guys? Just hanging out. Nobody's here yet. I got here too early on this dry lake bed. It's pretty badass. So this is King of the Hammers. This is where they do King of the Hammers. As you can see, it's just this giant lake bed out here. I forget the name of the lake bed, but basically it's about a 2-mile drive off the main highway back there. Well, not a main highway, but the main highway that goes through the desert over here. And come out here. There's a bunch of RVs circled up there-ish. And then right over here, right behind there, there's a Chicken Foot, I believe, over there. Chocolate Thunder? I don't remember. I'm not super up on all the obstacle / big climbs and stuff out here at KOH area. But I'm sure I'll get closer and more familiar with them as I come out here more. I've only been out here twice, and that was during King of the Hammers, and it's kind of hard to get around and stuff because there's just race course everywhere. But it's not like I had a buggy to take out, so it's more just watching some stuff. But it's super quiet out here. Notice that? Silence. The silence of the desert. I'm sure there's a desert tortoise cruising around out here somewhere. You gotta watch out for those. Vicious. But yeah. I'm sure we're gonna have a good time. I'll be back. So we got some guys rolling in. We got Chris here, Steeevo's buddy. Just rolled in, pulled his little Razor out. He's out taking his kids out. We got Jerry, I think. Yeah, Jerry, I think. He just showed up with his trailer, his side-by-side, trying to get that out. So people are showing up, toys are showing up. Should be a good day. It's 50 degrees and feels like 80. Sun's scorching pretty solid. Blonding out in the wave. What's up? Action time in the action suit. Yeah. Getting down. We got some other racers out there. You're gonna get it down right now. Back from a side-by-side run. His name's not Jerry, it's Rick. Oh, good day. A little dusty. It's a good day in the desert.
Oh yeah.
Time for beers.
Oh, there you go.
Maybe a truly, and then some beers.
We gotta hydrate first.
Gotta hydrate.